Join me as I challenge myself to listen to this wealth attraction music for 30 minutes straight and see if it helps me stop overthinking and attract some financial success. Wealth attraction music is a game changer for anyone looking to calm their mind and attract financial success. This type of music is specifically designed to help you relax, focus, and manifest your desires. And today we're going to dive into how it can benefit you. When it comes to finances, it's easy to get caught up in overthinking and stress. You start wondering if you're making enough money, if you're saving enough, if you're investing correctly. And before you know it, you're stuck in a cycle of anxiety and fear. This stress can be overwhelming, making it difficult to make clear financial decisions or take risks that could actually help you achieve your goals. One of the biggest challenges people face when it comes to attracting wealth is the constant mental chatter. You know, that voice in your head that's always telling you you're not good enough, you're not making enough, or you're just not cut out for this. This negative self-talk can be a huge roadblock to success, and it's something that many of us struggle with on a daily basis. Another common challenge is the feeling of being stuck. You know, when you feel like you're doing everything right, but nothing seems to be changing. You're working hard, you're saving, you're investing, but somehow you're still not getting the results you want. This feeling can be incredibly frustrating, and it's easy to get discouraged and give up. For many people, the biggest challenge of all is simply quieting the mind. With all the distractions of modern life, it's easy to get caught up in the hustle and bustle and never take a moment to relax, reflect, and recharge. This constant stimulation can lead to mental fatigue, making it difficult to focus, make decisions, and take action towards your financial goals. But what if I told you there was a way to calm your mind, reduce your anxiety, and create a positive environment for wealth attraction? Calming music can be a powerful tool in your journey to financial success. By listening to calming music, you can quiet your mind, reduce stress and anxiety, and create space for positive thoughts and intentions to enter your consciousness. When you listen to calming music, you start to relax, your mind starts to quiet, and you become more present and focused. This allows you to tune into your desires, set clear intentions, and start taking action towards your financial goals. You start to feel more confident, more motivated, and more inspired to take control of your finances. Calming music can also help you cultivate a positive mindset, which is essential for attracting wealth. When you're in a positive state, you're more open to new ideas, more receptive to opportunities, and more likely to take calculated risks that can help you achieve your goals. You start to see the world in a different light, and you start to believe in yourself and your abilities. By combining calming music with practical financial tips, you can create a powerful mindset that's focused on success. For example, you could listen to calming music while reviewing your budget, or while visualizing your financial goals. You could even use music to help you stay focused and motivated while working on a financial project or goal. One powerful technique you could try is to listen to calming music while repeating positive affirmations to yourself. This can help you rewire your mind with positive thoughts and beliefs, and start to attract wealth and abundance into your life. For example, you could repeat phrases like, "I am worthy of financial success," "I am capable of achieving my goals," or "I am confident in my financial decisions." By using calming music in this way, you can start to shift your mindset, build your confidence, and attract wealth and abundance into your life. You can start to feel more empowered, more in control, and more driven to achieve your financial goals. Remember, the key to attracting wealth is to cultivate a calm and focused mind. When you're in this state, you're more open to new ideas, more receptive to opportunities, and more likely to take action towards your financial goals. So take some time today to listen to calming music, quiet your mind, and focus on attracting wealth and abundance into your life. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to share your experiences with wealth attraction music in the comments below. If you're looking for more tips on financial well-being, be sure to check out my next video, where I'll be sharing more practical advice on how to achieve financial success.